Hey everyone, in this video let's have a look at the Nitrogen OS ROM for the Poco X3 Pro. As you can see here, it is based out of Android version 12 and it also has the latest Android security patch level of July 2022 as of now. And these are the home settings from the launcher, and as you can see here, there aren't really much options here. And this is the wallpaper section, and unlike other ROMs, there is no wallpaper and style option here, so which is a bit weird. These are the quick setting options, and as you can see here, you cannot really separate the Wi-Fi and mobile data option from here, which I think is really weird, and that is a feature that should have been present here, and I find it really annoying. And here under the system settings, there are some gesture options here. You can quickly open the camera using the power button. You have system navigation gesture options. You can change the sensitivity, but there's no option to change the height of the back gesture, and you can change up to 3 navigation option, and you have 100 mode as you can see here, and you can also enable a shortcut for that if you want. And you can also press and hold for the assistant key if you want. And apart from that, these are the settings here. These are the main settings. Like this is status bar customization, as you can see here. And next we have status bar items. You can choose to show or hide them, or you can also show or hide these icons, and there are different options here, so that is pretty cool. And you can also do similar stuff from view Wi-Fi icon. You have network traffic monitor option here, and you have button options like what to do with the volume brokers, as you can see here. And here under navigation bar settings, there isn't much, and you have gesture options as you can see here. Swipe to screenshot, status bar, double tap to sleep, that kind of stuff. And you have lock screen customization like showing the charging info, fingerprint authentication, ripple effect, and you have certain notification options as you can see here. And let's go back, and this is the miscellaneous section, and you have certain device features here. You can enable high brightness mode if you want and further customize that thing. And you have ambient display options here. Pickup mode is present, and you have use gyroscope for pickup mode, hand wave pocket, that kind of stuff. These features could come in handy. And this is the clear speaker option that we find on the new ROMs. And you have direct sound enhancer as well, and you can enable hi-fi option. So these kind of options are present here, which is pretty cool. You have haptic feedback control, and you can also have this touch control stuff as you can see here. So what I found really special about this particular ROM was its gaming performance. Generally you wouldn't think that this ROM is a gaming focused ROM because it does not allow for higher FPS settings, but I found that this ROM offered me the most stable PUBG gaming performance, and it was able to maintain 60 FPS at HDR graphics, so that is pretty awesome for me. And you have other options like brightness level, lock screen, content, it could be customized here. And you have as you can see here, you also have face unlock option on lock screen, that is pretty cool. You have dark theme option, display size, you can change up the color profile here as you can see here. I like saturated stuff. And you have certain rotation options. You can change the minimum and maximum refresh rate up to 30 Hz. And overall the battery life has been pretty good for me as well. I have been doing a lot of gaming these days, so I am able to push about 6 hours of screen on time, which is pretty great regarding my heavy usage. And performance is also very buttery smooth, no issues or stutters here and there, unlike set in the ROMs. And this is also well balanced in terms of customization options it offers, except for the stock launcher. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye, take care.